I appreciate it, my nephew. My nephew, I like to say everything on this Cotton Radio, man. I don't care about what a Cotton believe or what a Cotton think, man. Hey, if I never do, you can bet your bottom butt on that here, man. I don't take this Cotton
Hey, Radio Man 445, if you're out there listening, I think you might have made it down here to 27.025. I want to say hello to you real fast, and hope all is going well and slow out on your stack of bricks, and see if you can get a grip on these DBs. And Lord knows it's all about D-birds and DBs and D-bird watts and decibels. So I ease this thing down once again in the world of sound. Radio station Motormouth Mall, your West Coast undermodulated beast. Got down, breaker, breaker. Well, Willie James? Who-wee? Hey, Willie James. You smoking out of the Magnolia. I appreciate the bump down, I do. Holy smokes. You getting that job done over here in fine style, ain't no doubt about that. And hey, Tony, out there on Texarkana, let me ease this thing down one time and say hello to you out there. Oh, balls well and slow around your stack of bricks. Hey, Willie James. Radio station, Motormouth Mall, working this thing one fat duck at a time. I got down, breaker, breaker.
Number 10, I guess it ain't my time to burn. I'm going to get out of here. I guess I'm more than my
They're right about this 10:36. 8:10, Motormouth Mall, looking your way. I'm stepping brake. Oh, yeah, I got on key. Yeah, 1952. You should tell 10, don't start nothing and there won't be nothing. Hey, by the way, I got this optimized right now for a scanner. I got this little audio set up right here, optimized to be pulled in on a little scanner. And so I hope this audio sounds okay to be working on the scanner. It's a little bit bassy, but maybe it ought to work all right. Hey, 1952, you told 10, don't start nothing, there won't be nothing. But 10 didn't key up. Hey, 1952, I don't know if that was an invitation or what. Enough mall down right there. Let's go. Breaker, breaker.
Hey, Chump Chain, I can be on the coast with no condition, Chump Chain. I'm shutting this station down. I'm 10-6.